Hello friends, today we will see how to create a chart of account structure and chart of account structure instance. Let's go to setup and maintenance. Go to manage implementation projects, and in that I'm just query my Vision implementation project and search a task manage chart of account. Here there are different chart of accounts creation tasks like manage chart of account mappings, manage chart of account structure instance, manage chart of account structure. So those are all linked to each other. The chart of account model is that accounting key flex field already present into cloud instance that you need to configure. To configure, you should have your chart of account structure. So I'm just going into manage chart of account structure task. Value sets also you have to create, but I'm going to use existing created value sets only. So that's why I'm just showing how basically you can create a chart of account structure and assign those value set codes to that chart of account structure. Also, as per your requirement, or if you have a multi-country rollout, then you can create your chart of account structure instance. So let's go into accounting flex field manage structure. Here I'm just searching for my chart of account structure which I created just now for one of segment. Yes, I'm showing you that. For company segment, I just added one, um, I would say that segment, that Vision primary ledger. Under that Vision company segment, API name Vision, it's automatically text, then your name of that segment. Also that your description and sequence number, I'm starting from 0, and prompt, what prompt you need to be the display on your screen. Also, there are short prompts, whether it is enabled or not, how much display width you need, column name, and with value set. You can default at value set code, which I am using for a company segment or company value set code, which already defined. So I'm just saving and close, and I'm creating one more segment here for your understanding how I created for that company. I'm just creating for vision department segment. API name automatically text. Just copy now for the segment code name. Description would be same. Sequence I'm giving here 1 because it was 0 there. Here again vision department code. So here actually one department segment already present. I'm selecting this. This is nothing but our segment qualifier. If anyone of you know that in EBS we have a segment qualifier as well as flex field qualifier. So while creating chart of account, you need to select this department segment. So you can select a short prompt as a department, then display with maybe I'm taking some, suppose 10 again. Range I'm not taking any lower. It is not mandatory as well. So, but you can select range low and high if you want to restrict users to select enter the value in that range. Column name I am selecting now segment 2 because segment 1 I already used. So segment 1 is not available in this list. It is available from segment 2. Selecting that, and default value set I am taking department now here. Save and close. Now let me again. manage chart of account structure. Just going there and searching my structure. Vision primary ledger. So I'm just going there. So if you see this is already added now. Similarly, I have to create one more segment for natural account. I'm just adding one more account, vision account segment. Yeah, name is type description. The sequence I'm giving now 2 because I already selected 0 and 1. Prompt I'm giving vision account segment, short count account. Display width I'm taking 10 again. And column name to select segment 3 now. And default value set code existing, selecting first one, ERP account 01 primary ledger. I'm just saving and close. Okay, if you see that now I 3 segments chart of account structure ready. Now again I have to assign it to segment to each. So I already told that purpose of the segment or purpose of the chart of account instance is actually assigned to your chart of account structure according to the country requirement. Okay, so I'm just doing that. Your chart of account. Again, I have to go back to accounting ledger. There you can see the manage structure instance. There I can select my structure, vision primary ledger and search. This is available my vision primary ledger instance one I have created. But once it is created, that's other segments also added into that. But if you want to create one more segment, you can do it for the different countries. Now I define it for USA. You can edit this or add one more instance according to your requirement. This is an instance, vision primary ledger instance, and that you can assign to the same structure. Like here, this is the one instance I create. Here I can add one more for my other country requirements according to that structure. So this is what I wanted to show, that how to create chart of account structure and how to assign that structure instance. After you created a chart of account structure and chart of account structure instance, you have to deploy your flex field. Click on deploy flex field to wait till it gets completed. The flex field is deployed now, but there is some deployment status is missing, probably some issue in the other validation segment. So this is what overall idea about accounting flex field structure creation and instance creation and assigning to your already created chart of account. That's all for today. Thank you, team. Good day.